Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 days, we have definitely seen a pattern shift. Much more precipitation has fallen across the area, mainly across the north. You can see that southern Nevada has still been quite dry, but the rest of the Great Basin has seen quite a bit of precipitation over the past 7 days. Looking at snowfall, the image on the left shows the 72-hour snowfall totals. Some pretty impressive amounts there. Looking at some portions of the Wasatch Mountains in Utah up into Idaho, receiving up to 3 feet of snow in the past 72 hours. So really a strong cold system that made its way through the country. And our snow depth image on the right is showing a really good snow coverage across much of the northern part of the Great Basin. Continuing to look at snow, despite the snow we've received over the past few days, we're still pretty far below normal. You can see almost all of the snow-tell sites across the Great Basin are below average, many in the 50 to 70% of normal range. So the snow we've received is great for our snowpack, but unfortunately we're still pretty far behind where we should be at this point in the year. The satellite this morning shows a really large, deep, low-pressure system across the central United States. Much of the Great Basin is seeing unsettled weather this morning due to that weather system. Today we will see good to excellent mixing across the entire Great Basin. We have really good mixing heights across the area and some pretty strong transport winds expected across portions of Idaho, Nevada, and Utah. As we move into Thursday, we'll see high pressure briefly build over the Great Basin. That will result in a decrease in the ventilation indices across the area. Our mixing heights will decrease and we'll see pretty light transport winds on Thursday with that high pressure. Moving into Friday, we'll see another system begin to make its way into the area. With that, we will see ventilation indices improve. Transport winds will pick up again on Friday and we'll see the mixing heights increase. Over the next 3 days, the Utah Forecast Clearing Index shows that today we'll see the best clearing indices with a decrease on Thursday and Friday. Over the next 3 days, we are expecting to see quite a bit more precipitation across the northern and central portions of the Great Basin, looking at accumulations, water accumulations, 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch in some places. So moving to Saturday, it's looking like another storm system will make its way through the Great Basin. We'll see good to excellent mixing on Saturday with that system. Moving into Sunday, in the wake of that system, looking at decrease in the ventilation indices across western Nevada. And then on Monday, pretty good ventilation indices across the area with the northwesterly to zonal flow. And then as we move into Tuesday, we will see those ventilation indices move into the poor to fair category. The 4 to 5 day period, it's looking pretty dry, just the potential for some precipitation across the higher elevations of Utah and Nevada. In the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the entire Great Basin with below normal precipitation across the south. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.